The 1975 release, Earthquake, gave new meaning to the word blockbuster. Now, the big one, a simulated earthquake that registers 8.3 on the Richter scale, brings down the house at Universal Studios. Ironically, the specially built soundstage that houses Earthquake may be the most earthquake-proof building ever constructed. Built to withstand 600,000 pounds of force 200 times a day, the attraction was designed to reproduce in detail the effects of a killer quake. The attraction producer is Larry Lester.
We have three-dimensional moving objects or animated objects, which are some of the largest animated objects in any show that's ever been made.
Genuine full-size subway cars simulate the train crash at 40 miles per hour. And the runaway truck is a 2,000-pound, 26 feet long big rig. Electricity, fire and explosions, and even a 60,000-gallon flood of rushing water has been utilized to capture every terrifying sensation with perfect accuracy.
Hey guys, it's wonderful. It looks great. All right, you did a wonderful job.
And it's all designed to reset in 15 seconds to thrill and delight the next tram load of visitors.
I think this is certainly part of the magic of the movies. There's no question of that.